Okay, I am placing our pepperoni slices onto the wine glass and just folding it right over the top. So you just want to kind of do layers. So you're just going around with the slices and layering the pepperoni. Okay, coming in with this last one, fold it on there and flip it. Now I'm just gonna leave this here and let it mold to it, let it get its shape. Okay, I'm gonna bring out some mozzarella pearls. We're just gonna place those right on our dish. Yum. Now I'm gonna come in with some tomatoes. So these are just cherry tomatoes. We're just gonna place them here. In fact, I'm just gonna pour them on there. Boop. All right. Here we are with some black olives. These are a holiday favorite. I always loved to stick them on my fingers when I was a kid and then just eat them right off. And green olives, little cocktail green olives. I'm actually gonna place these over here. So an opposite side effect. This is gonna be such a yummy, yummy holiday festive charcuterie board. Perfect. Cashews are next. I'm gonna put them right here. So this is not your typical charcuterie board. We are sectioning off all of our yummy eats. It is gonna be a super fun festive board. All right, and the best part, I think, is some cheese. So we have pepper jack. Just gonna add some pepper jack squares, and I love to cube them up here. It's just easier for people to grab real quick. So we're just gonna add all our pepper jack. There we go. And I think a fan favorite, sharp cheddar. So let's go ahead and add the sharp cheddar here, right next to those green olives. It's gonna make the color just pop. Love it, love it. What do you prefer, pepper jack or cheddar? Yum. Blackberries. We've got to have some fruit on this board. So let's add some blackberries there. And they will also look great right next to your pepper jack cheese for a berry bite. And if you can see, I have raspberries. And the raspberries are special. They are gonna act as our berries on a Christmas wreath. So we are just gonna randomly place the raspberries around to make it look like little wreath berries. So we are making a Christmas wreath charcuterie board. So cute. And people can just grab those as they wish. And for that lovely wreath effect, I have some fresh rosemary, and I've just cut them into little pieces here. We're gonna slot those in, and they can stick out. So this is gonna make your charcuterie board just look like a wreath even more than it already does. We're just gonna slot those in. So cute. And it smells delicious. Love the smell of rosemary. Look how fun! It's really coming together. Holiday charcuterie board. The last one here. Maybe one more right up front. So cute. Okay, and just for fun, for festive, I have some little white chocolate, red and green covered pretzels. So we're just gonna go ahead and put those on there, just on the outside, just for a little festive fun. Sweet bite. Sweet and salty go together, I think, very well. Okay. And are we ready to reveal our fun pepperoni effect? Here we go. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. I love it so much. It's a little pepperoni rose, a little flower. All right, guys, here is the finished product, our holiday wreath charcuterie board. How cute is that? And you've got the rose Smells delicious. I can't wait to eat it. Happy holidays.